Hey there everyone, it's Jasper with the Boys and Girls Club of Contra, Costa, and today we are going to do another gourmet hunt for all the ingredients we need for this week's recipe, chocolate, real chocolate. Now, the thing is, one ingredient is going to be a little bit harder to find, but are you ready to hunt with me anyway? Let's go ahead and get started.
What's great about making chocolate from scratch is that technically you only need 3 ingredients. Those 3 ingredients are cocoa powder, which can be found in the baking section of most stores. This is what is going to flavor our chocolate and provide all kinds of healthy minerals and antioxidants. Next up is sweetener. We are going to be just getting some cane sugar from the baking section, but the goal is to make a liquid sweetener. You can buy a liquid sweetener from the store such as corn syrup, maple syrup, sugar-free syrup, or we can make our own at home, boiling down sugar and water, saving a few dollars for the most expensive ingredient. The most important ingredient in raw, homemade chocolate is the cocoa butter. This is the oil that comes from cocoa beans and is actually rare to find raw in your local grocery store. You are more likely to find cocoa butter as the main ingredient in skincare products than you are to find it for chocolate making. Some stores that carry organic products can sometimes have raw cocoa butter. But a great way to get cocoa butter in your hands is to just order it online. Just make sure you are ordering raw organic cocoa butter for cooking. Now, if you don't want to go through the hassle of making the actual chocolate, you can grab yourself any brand of chocolate that is real chocolate. Look for cocoa butter in the list of ingredients. As long as that's there, you can melt that down and place it into whatever mold you want. But wait, there's more. If you don't already have one, please get yourself a digital thermometer for cooking. If we don't temper our chocolate, store-bought or homemade, your results will vary, and you won't be very happy if your chocolate turns out like fudge. Also, an ingredient that's optional, you can get yourself some milk powder if you want to try making milk chocolate. You can find this item in the baking section with the rest of the evaporated milk.
So hopefully you'll be able to get a hold of those special items that we talked about in our video. Cocoa butter is a little bit harder to find, but when you find that, you will be able to make yourself some real chocolate. All right? Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Be with us in the next video to learn a little bit about presentation and how to make your food items look delicious and amazing. All right? If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. All right? Take care, everybody.